What's kindergarten?
Hi, I'm Lacey. We're going to be trying new foods today. Let's go. Come on, let's go.
Let's see what food we have today. Plantains.
Today's food is plantains.
Let's see how it's prepared.
They're really, really green, so you want to let these ripen before you cook with them because they're hard to peel. They're not like bananas. You can't just peel it like a banana. You have to use a knife, so you have to ask a grown-up to help you.
Yeah.
And then like the next phase of it getting ripe kind of looks like this, and it's not bad. When it starts to get all the little black color in the spots, it's starting to ripen, and when it ripens, it gets sweet. So then maybe it starts to look like this color.
So it's sweet right now?
Yeah, like, so this one's probably really super sweet. And this is black, and it doesn't mean it's bad. It just means it's fully ripened and it's really sweet.
What is that?
There's a plantain. So if this was a banana and it was this black, it would be bad. It would be all mushy and squishy, and you probably wouldn't want to eat it. But this is still firm. Can you see me squeezing it? It's not even mushy.
I want this.
But it's black, the skin, so it tells us that it's really, really ripe right now, and this is the one we want to cook with.
Wow!
You brought a burner. You might have a burner like that in your kitchen.
You have to cut a plantain differently, so you're going to cut the ends off. So we're going to cut the ends off, and then we're going to just slice the skin. And then you can just peel the skin off of it. We're going to make fried plantains. Easy, the skin comes off, you just peel it off. Kind of looks like a banana. Yep.
You have gloves. That's a great question.
We have gloves on so we keep the food safe and clean. So you always have to wash your hands and wear your gloves when we're at work.
Your hands are dirty.
Well, my hands are clean because I washed them, but then I put gloves on so I keep the food safe.
Yeah.
So we're gonna slice these plantains. Little slices. We're gonna do butter. We're gonna melt the butter in the pan. So I have the pan on real low. We're gonna let this melt. Alright, so our butter is all melted right now. We're going to put them in the pan, and you want to be careful putting them in. You always want to do this for the grown-up. Oh, hold on.
It feels good. Smell it. It smells so good. I want to eat right now.
It smells like butter. They smell
You
sweet.
can't hear it bubbling in it?
Sounds like Rice Krispies. When you put the milk.
Thanks for showing us.
It's time for a
Taste test. Not bad. It tastes good. It smells good too. And it's really squishy. It tastes like some kind of other food. This tastes like another food. I like it. Not scared of it?
It tastes good.
I like it a lot. It's hot. It's so good. Good.
Do you like it or no? Yes?
My tummy is feeling nervous. I don't really like when they're not really sweet, but this one's really good. It's more sweeter than the one I liked.
You excited?
I think it'll be good. I'm nervous. I can speak it. I'll eat it. I'll eat it. It'll be good. Really?
I'm scared to eat it. No, I won't like it.
I'm not. I wouldn't love it.
It tastes like banana. You like butter. It tastes like French toast. It tastes a little bumpy and slimy. It's good and it's slimy and it's a little bumpy. It's really good with maple syrup on it. Delicious.
Therese, why did you come back?
Because I spit it out when I was eating it.
Question time.
Where do plantains come from?
They grow in India, Africa, Egypt, and tropical America.
Are plantains the same as bananas?
Not really. The plantains are larger and tougher than bananas, and the skin is very thick. Do you remember when I cut the plantain on the cutting board? I had to use a knife. It doesn't peel like a banana. They come in green, yellow, and very dark brown. The dark brown ones are more ripe. Do you remember we cut those and cooked them in the pan? And plantains are very starchy.
Okay, what else can you do with plantains?
So if we cut them a little thinner and fried them, we could make tostones, which are just plantain chips. You can also make fritters or mofongo.
Are plantains good for you?
Plantains are a carb-rich food and a good source of fiber, vitamins, and minerals. They have antioxidants, great levels of vitamin C, which can help support your immune system.
Here's the recipe for plantains.
Thank you, Aramark, for bringing us food. Click the link below and learn more. Bye.